Hello and welcome to the basement, and welcome to yet another episode of Kick Chat, a very serious show about sneakers, where we take sneakers very seriously. I'm your host Maz, aka MazMacBeard, aka No Poof, no poof baby. We usually try to do 1 to 2 episodes a week, and we would love nothing more than to keep doing this, so we really need your support, guys. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and sucker punch that bell button. That's the only way you can help us grow. Now, enough housekeeping. Today we're gonna do another unboxing, and again, courtesy of Sneakers and Stuff. I actually think they might love me as much as I love them, but enough of that, let's not jinx it. This is a silhouette I'm kind of mixed on, so I'm really anxious to find out if this is worth the hype or not. So, without further ado, let's put on some sexy music and open this bad boy up. Yeah, there it is.
Oh my god, what happened?
Let's get rid of that. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, come on. They actually glued it shut, so why use the pull tab at all? Yeah, this box is getting destroyed. There we go. Let's get this ready. So again, we got our paperwork, courtesy of Sneakers and Stuff. Let's get rid of this. Take out the box. Get rid of that. Woo! This box is pretty wild. As you've probably already guessed, this box belongs to a pair of Nike Air Force 1 Paranoise 2s. And as the name would suggest it, this is the second colorway of the shoe releasing. The first one was released last year. They both retail for $199 and they both have pretty significant resale prices. This one goes for a little over $400 and the OG one for over $600. And there's a Korea exclusive one that goes for over $4,000, which is just insane. Now, why Korea, you might ask? And to that I say, good question. Good question. This is actually a collaboration between Nike and G-Dragon, who is a hip-hop artist based in Korea. So that makes sense. Why Air Force Ones, you might ask? And to that I say, good question. Again, good question. Air Force Ones have always been G-Dragon's favorite shoe, and he claims to have not always had easy access to them. So his solution was to make super limited Air Force Ones. That makes a little bit less sense. Now, regardless of all that, I actually really like the box. It's elegant, colorful, not too crazy or tacky, but still pretty wild. We still have an unboxing to do, so let's just get to it. Open. Open! Ooh. You got this Korean Nike and swoosh on this paper. I'm gonna turn it around so you can see it as well. I assume it to be Koreans, but I'm not sure. But let me know in the comments if you know exactly what it is. Let's open this up. There we go. Alright. Bam! Cue the B-roll! Bam! This is a white leather shoe with a black leather swoosh. Or is it? They might look like just a regular pair of Air Forces, but as the black skid marks in the midsole and the cracked leather on the toes might indicate, they're meant to be worn. And the longer you wear them, the more it wears off, and you'll be able to see the crazy colorful pattern underneath it, which should kinda look like what you see on a box. There is a sunflower on the tongue and thick with at least 3 C's black laces. We get a pair of additional white flat laces as well. And these buttons. The midsole contains a full-length air unit, as the air on the heel might suggest. And there's a foam insole with the same crazy pattern as you saw earlier on the box. I actually like these much more than I thought I would, but I'm left wondering why they retail for $200 when a regular Air Force One goes for half of it. And while we're talking about the crazy Air Force prices, I got a second box right here. Let's open this up. Let's get rid of this as well. There we go. These are the Air Force One High Alex. They retailed for $399, which is just insane. And let's get them out first. Bam. And bam. Let's get rid of the box.
Witness.
Ooh, $40. Here we go. And sure, you might say it's made of full grain leather. The lining is made of cashmere. And it has an anodized aluminum buckle. But would that justify 4 times the price? I really don't know. And they go on resale for $470, which means there's little to no interest in them. But I would love to direct the question to you guys. What do you think about the Air Force One Paranoise 2s? And what do you think justifies their price? Let us know in the comments below. We usually try to answer to every question and every comment. Thank you for joining us. And if you like to support us, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and smack that bell button. We'll be back soon with another episode and another unboxing. But until then, goodbye.